Hey guys, it's Alyssa, and today I'm making a video called Color by Number. So the things that you'll need for this video are one of the color by number sheets. Everybody has enough to have one of each, but you might decide that you like doing one of them more than the other. So this one is some really pretty fall leaves, and this one, once you're done, will look like an apple. The first thing I want to do when I start a project is make sure if it says name to write my name on it so everybody knows that this is my art project and nobody else grabs my paper by accident. So I wrote my name on this one and my name's already on my other one. Something that I like to do, I'll show you, is there's a code here on both of the papers. I'll show you this one first, that tells you what number goes with what color. So number 1 goes with red, number 2 goes with orange, and number 3 goes with yellow. And you'll see that there's numbers on the different leaves. So I like to draw on my code to make sure that everybody knows that we're doing the right color. So number 1 is red, so I'll just draw some red right there, so I remember. And number 2 is orange. Number 3 is yellow. All right, and I'll do the same one with this one. This one says that number 1 is red, number 2 is orange, number 3 is green, and number 4 is brown. So I'm going to do the same thing with those. I need red. I'll color in this circle for number 1. Number 2 is orange. Number 3 is green. And number 4 is brown. All right. So before we start coloring, I wanted to show you what different coloring tools look like on this paper. Some of you might want to use markers. Some of you might like crayons. Oops, I dropped one. Crayons. Or some of you might like colored pencils. And they all look different when we use them. So I'm going to show you what they look like on my paper. First we have our fall leaves. So number 1 is red. So I looked for the leaves that have a number 1 in them. Like this one has a number 1 and this one. You can see I already colored this one red. This one is colored with a magic marker. So that's what it looks like if you use a marker. Then I looked for number 2. Number 2 is orange. There's a number 2 here and a number 2 down here. This one I colored with a colored pencil, so that's what that looks like. And then number 3 is yellow up here in the corner. This one says number 3. That one says number 3. And this one says number 3. So I colored this one yellow, and that's crayon. So they all look kind of different. And I did the same thing on this one. Number 1 is red. So I found a number 1. This one here is in marker. Let me check. This one down here is in crayon. And this one up here is colored pencil. So they look kind of different. Number 2 is orange. So there's a number 2 in marker orange, crayon orange, and colored pencil orange. And I didn't do number 3 except for in marker. I didn't do it in crayon or colored pencil yet because there's only 2 number 3s on the whole paper. And only 1 number 4, which is brown. So I'll do that one with you guys. First, I'm going to start doing my fall leaves. So first I'm going to look for a red one. So I'm going to look for the number 1. And I know that means I should color it red. So let's see. Where is there another number 1? Here's one. So I'm going to do this one in crayon. And I'm going to color it red because red is number 1. And you can take your time. Take your time to make it look nice and pretty. And each different kind of tool for coloring makes it look different, like I said, which is kind of neat. Alright, number 2 is orange. Let's find a number 2. There's the other 2. So I want to color this one in orange. There. And now I'll look for number 3, yellow. Oh, there's a number 3 right there. I think I'll do a marker again. Oh, my yellow marker's running out, so I'm not going to use a marker. I'll use a crayon. And take as long as you need to. Sometimes coloring is a really good activity to relax. If you're feeling nervous, or feeling like you need to calm down, or just that you want to chill out and relax, coloring can be a fun way to do that. Alright, now let's move on to our other one. Let's find a number 1 red. There's one. That says number 1, so this spot should be red. I'll do it with a marker. Sometimes I like to outline it and then color in the middle. There's no wrong way to color. You can fill it in starting wherever you want, but make sure you try and stay inside the lines. But you know what? Sometimes it's okay if you don't. You can stay inside the lines. Sometimes I go outside the lines by accident, see? And that's okay. My picture still looks really awesome. Inside or outside the lines, it doesn't matter. As long as you try your best and you like your picture, that's all that matters. Number 2 is orange. Here's a 2. Right there. Oh, I think I'll use a crayon. Nice. Number 3 is green. And there's only one number 3 left. Right there. Looks like it's making a leaf. Yep, look, and now we finished our leaf. Number 4 is brown. And let's find number 4. Do you see number 4? There it is. I'm going to use another marker. I think I like using the markers the best, but I also like the other ones too. All right. Oh, look, it looks like this is going to be the stem of our apple. Here. There's the green leaf. This must be the stem, and I think once we finish coloring on all the number 1s here, it's going to be a red apple with an orange background. So I'll show you my finished product here at the end of the video. I hope you guys have fun. Remember to color in your code up here so you remember what color goes with which number. And have a great time. Whatever your picture looks like, it's going to be awesome because you did it. And if it's your art, then that's pretty cool. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.